Hey everyone! Today, I've got some exciting news from Eritrea. The government of the state of Eritrea and the African Development Bank have signed a $20 million agreement to boost the country's energy sector. Yep, you heard that right. $20 million for a brand new solar energy system in western Eritrea. So, why is this a big deal? First off, the project will generate clean, renewable energy and is expected to provide electricity to over 235,000 Eritreans. That includes residential households, small-scale farms, schools, and health centers in the Gash-Barka region. Imagine the impact on people's lives: more reliable electricity for daily needs, education, and healthcare. During the signing ceremony, Dr. Giorgis Teklemikael, Eritrea's Minister of Finance and National Development, emphasized that African challenges can be effectively addressed by Africans themselves. This project aims to build national capacity by engaging local expertise, training and equipping 25 local companies. Representing the African Development Bank, Dr. Leandre Bassole highlighted Eritrea's vast solar energy potential and reaffirmed the bank's commitment to collaborating with Eritrea to harness this potential and drive economic transformation. But that's not all. In March 2023, Eritrea signed a $50 million agreement for the Dekamare 30-megawatt solar photovoltaic project, which is linked to the Hirgigo power plant and is expected to be completed by 2026. Plus, the Eritrean government is planning to establish 12 30-megawatt energy plants across the country, adding a massive 360 megawatts to the national capacity. This collaboration is a huge step towards sustainable energy solutions and a brighter future for Eritrea. Keep an eye on this space for more updates and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at Zula Network News. Thanks for watching.